Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to shut down your GIGABYTE G7. To shut it down, you can either press on the Windows logo, then click on this power icon, and you can click on shutdown. Occasionally you'll also have an option to update and shut down, so if you have time, then I would recommend selecting this option so it updates everything that it has to update. But if you're just in a hurry, then you can just select the simple shutdown. But if you can't do it through this first method, you can also do it through a second method, which is simply pressing and holding power button until the light on this power button goes off. And it's not a recommended method, so whenever you can use the first one, use the first one. But if in some case it doesn't work, like your laptop has freezed, then you can simply press and hold on the power key until the light on that key goes off, and also the fans should stop spinning on your laptop. And that's how you turn it off in these two methods. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.